And yes, the Turkish music is very loud here, and that is Ataturk, who will appear in every single building that exists in Turkey, because he was responsible for freeing the Republic of Turkey for their freedom. So they respect that man tremendously. But look at all these things that have been handmade. And then look at the shop. It's incredible. Everywhere I look, I mean, we have tools, everything you can imagine or want. This is a man's cave, that's for sure. I mean, everything is here, and everything was made by them, by the men who work in here. And so, there's not much that they cannot do. Look at all the tapes, the rolls of tape. And they create so many things. Right now, this is the active working station. It's a man painting, varnishing, staining. And then we have all these strings and sanding disc and papers and lots of jars. They save all their jars. I mean, look at all those bottles of empty water bottles put to good use. And all these jars that used to hold Nutella, which I know we have in the US. They love their Nutella here. Then we have all these tools, and I do not know what they do. I'm sure the men watching are probably salivating and saying, "Oh my goodness, that is just a playland." So much here. The flag, of course. All the little pieces and dowels and things that go to make these toys work. We got some unique little lights up there. They're really cute. Kind of remind me of, what is it, Pixel? Super cute. Lots of tools. Look at all the bits. All the drill bits, fittings. I think it's quite amazing. And all the pieces of scrap wood. The table saw here. Okay, there is one horse here, so you guys are going to be very happy because I've got a horse. Yes. Oh, it's a unicorn. I think I should take him home. He should go home on the airplane with me, I believe. And then look at the wood. You know, they use all that. And then I'll take you out to the front. Let's go out here. Look, keychains and bracelets. Little iguana guy. Here's the front. So we have many toys that have been crafted and created. And spinning tops. And I think, if we're lucky, we will see a horse. We will find one. There he is. It's right there. Yay! Helicopters, animals, even Minnie Mouse, Smurfette, a hedgehog. How about that? Pool toys, little puzzle, so many things. The rabbits. It's a Pikachu right there. And so, this is what the men do here. And they hang out here every day in this shop. Alright, I'm glad I got to share this with you guys. Hope you like it.